Okay, good day, my dear listeners. Today I will explain about Pell's equations. Okay, theorem: if x equals u, y equals v is a positive integer solution of the equation x squared minus dy squared equals 1. Then u rational v is a convergent of the continued fraction expansions expansion of square root of d. If the period p is even, then all positive integer solutions of the equation x squared minus d squared dy squared equals 1 are given by x equals p sub k p minus 1, y equals q k p minus 1, where k equals 1, 2, 3, and so on too. And b is the period p is odd, then all positive integer solutions of the equation x squared minus dy squared equals 1 are given by x equals p2 p sub 2 k p minus 1, y equals q sub 2 k p minus 1, where k equals 1, 2, 3, and so on too. Okay, let's explain these Pell's equations by example. Okay, example: x squared minus 2y squared equals 1. By this theorem, d is 2, square of 2 equals approximately equals 1.41, and so on too. Okay, the first we need to transform this the next form: x squared equals 2 times y squared plus 1, where y equals 1, 2, 3, and so on too. Okay, let's find the first values. Is y equals 1. Substitute in the place of y. X equals square root of 2 times 1 squared plus 1 is square root of 2. Okay. The second, y sub 2 equals 2. Okay, substitute in the place of y. 2 times 2 squared plus 1 equals 9 equals 3. Okay, x equals 3, y equals 2, therefore 3, 2. Okay, and I can to use the Excel programs. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and sorry. Okay, and 1, 2, 3, and next is our y values. Okay, y values and x values I will find to this formula. Okay, um, formula square root. Okay, it means to the power of 0.5, and 2 times y is 1. Okay, the first numbers to the power of 2 plus 1. By this formula, x squared or x equals square root of 2y squared plus 1. Okay, enter. And is the first square root. The next, okay, and how can you see y equals 2, x equals 3, y equals 12, x equals 17. Okay, the first, the second, and okay, 70, y equals 70, x equals 99. Sorry. And by the Excel programs, the first answer 3 x 3 y 2, and 12 x 17 y 12. Okay, it's right, because 12 squared is 144 times 2 288 plus 1 is 289 equals 17. And next, okay, uh, we can see 3 over 2. Okay, 3 over 2 is 1.5. 17 over 12 is 1.49, and so on too. Okay, using calculator. Okay, 17 over 12 equals 1.4116 period, and 99 over 70 equals 41. Okay, if I find 2 squared, 14142 okay, our answer is correct. Okay, thank you for attention.